Hello, you're welcome to the teacher channel, and I'm very delighted to have you visit the channel. And today I want us to look at an important question, very important, and that question is, what is first aid? And what are the objectives of first aid? So first aid is an emergency care given to somebody who is sick or somebody who is ill as a result of emergency. Another angle to that is that first aid is a basic care given to an injured or a person. So the injury can come as a result of emergency, and emergency is an unplanned incident. Emergency is an unplanned incident that calls for immediate intervention. And the emergency can happen anytime. It can happen at any place and to any person. And so the reason why first aid is important is because emergency is everywhere. It can happen anytime. It can happen when we don't expect. It can happen to any person of any age. It can happen to a baby. It can happen to a child. It can happen to an adult. A baby is somebody who is under 1 year. A child is somebody who is more than 1 year but has not reached puberty. And an adult is somebody who has reached puberty or who is going through puberty. So emergency can happen to anybody. Okay, so that's the reason why first aid is very important. This is the reason why we need to equip ourselves with the skills necessary to attend to emergency when it occurs. It's a matter of time. It's not a matter of if. It can happen anytime, any day. So being ready, being equipped with the skills necessary to challenge that emergency, to attend to somebody, a patient, an individual who is in need as a result of emergency. So equipping ourselves with the knowledge, with the skills, is the best thing to do. So if you are contemplating taking the course, or you are already taking the course, or you are in the class already, that is a very good thing you have done. And all I'm asking you is to actually give your best to it. You know, be interested, be motivated, because what you're doing is very, very important. In fact, there is nothing more important than life. So there are 3 objectives to first aid. So first aid has 3 objectives. Number 1, to preserve life. Number 2, to prevent injury or to prevent more injury from happening. And number 3 objective is to promote recovery. Again, I go through the 3 core objectives of first aid. Number 1, to preserve life. Number 2, to prevent injury or more injury. And number 3 is to promote recovery. Those are 3 core objectives of first aid. The person who is doing first aid is called first aider or first aid provider, and the person you are providing first aid to, the person you are trying to help, is called the patient. You can also call the person a victim. You can also call the person a casualty. Okay, so this is very, very important. Very, very important to save life, to preserve life, to prevent injury, to promote recovery. So we need to be ready. We need to get ourselves equipped. In fact, you need to be excited. You need to be excited knowing about first aid. It sounds very, very simple, but the objective is priceless. So it's a very good thing you are doing. So put all your best to that. Be interested. And when you come to our class, we'll do our best to help you. You know, from practical to theoretical, from theoretical to practical. Okay? You'll be okay. You will enjoy it. So you're welcome. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Like the video. Thank you. Bye-bye.